In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this fun countdown to Christmas snowman chain that you can do with your kiddos while babysitting. Stay tuned. Hey sitters, welcome back. It's Lydia, thanks for joining me. If this is your first time here, I want you to know that craft videos are not all that I do, although I love doing some crafts. My channel is to help you become a better babysitter by giving you some tips and tricks on how to get out of sticky situations, help keep the kids entertained, all the way down to the basics of how to warm a bottle. So hit that subscribe button, go check out those other videos, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks. So today's craft is a Christmas craft. As the holidays come around, or as Christmas comes around, kids' excitement and joy just start to build, and they can start bugging mom and dad on when Santa is coming. So this craft will help those kids not bug mom and dad, but understand that we have this amount of days left until Santa comes. So this is a Christmas chain countdown for Christmas. And I did these when I was younger. I did Santa ones, I did reindeer ones, I also did snowman ones. So today we're going to do the snowman one, but I absolutely loved it. Me and my two other sisters, we all had a different one. We would be so excited to get up in the morning and tear the piece of paper off, and I'll show you what I mean by that at the end. But let's get started. We're going to need some orange construction paper, black construction paper, a couple of pieces of white construction paper. We'll need scissors, googly eyes, a pencil, and then you could use a stapler or you could use glue, but today I'm going to use a stapler so I don't have to wait for it to dry. So with your white piece of paper, it's going to be the body of the snowman and the head. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our piece of paper, white, fold it in half, and these are to make these strips of paper and make them even. I'm going to fold it in half. You're going to fold it long ways again. We used to call it hot dog. Fold it the hot dog way. Again. One more time. And then when you unfold it, you have lines to cut across. You'll need actually 26 of these pieces of paper. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times, you'll need like 3.5 pieces of paper to get your 26. So you'll cut them out with the scissors, but since I already did that, we're going to move on, and we're going to go ahead and make that body. So what you want to do to make the rings is first you want to start off with the first ring, and you just slip it in and staple. And you got your first ring. And then what you want to do is slip this piece of paper in through the ring and staple it again, just like that. And then you go until you have done all 26. So now I'm finishing up on my last one. So now that I have 26, I do want to say, if you are babysitting for somebody like on the December 3rd, then you have to take that into account when you're making the chain. You want to make sure that there's only as many chain links as there are days left for Christmas. So now I'm going to make the face of the snowman and also the hat. What I'm going to do is take one of those links. I have a scrap piece of one. So I'm going to put it on the black piece of paper, and I'm just going to trace a hat around the snowman's face. So I'm going to go ahead and cut that out. So when you create that hat, you actually want it to make it look like a hat. So you could put a brim, or make a brim of the hat. You could decorate it by putting a buckle on it. You could be creative while making the hat and the face of the snowman. If you really want to get creative, you could put buttons on the snowman. But I'm just going to go with a plain hat for now. So here's my hat. I'm going to go ahead and jump on over and make a nose. All right, so there's my nose. And we're going to get some googly eyes out as well. We're going to go ahead and create that snowman. And make sure when you create it that the chain is going down, that the face is, the hat's on the top. Like I said, you could go ahead and put buttons on there or jazz up the hat a little. But my snowman's going to be very plain today. And there's my snowman chain link. And now you can hang this up anywhere in their room or whatnot. You hang it on the wall, and then you tear off the links every day until you get to Christmas. You'll have this guy left at Christmas because this is the 26th. If you guys end up doing this craft with your kiddos, let me know how it went down in the comment section below. If you have any questions, let me know. Happy holidays from my family to yours. Thanks for watching.